think we good. Well, we better be, because we ain't got time. And we are back with another video. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a little chit chat, my everyday makeup routine. So if you want to see how I achieve this flawless look, just keep on watching. Okay, so we're gonna start off with a fresh face. I already washed it, toned it, and moisturized it. I did my eyebrows off camera, and I also primed my face with the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. I normally use the Dr. Brandt primer from Sephora, but we're gonna use the Maybelline one for now. And this works just as good as the Dr. Brandt one, honestly. So next thing I do is I use my Milani 2-in-1 concealer. But yeah, so enough about that. How is y'all doing? How y'all holding up? How's quarantine? You know, for me, how has my days been? Well, actually, quarantine started for me ever since like mid-March, when I had to work from home. Y'all hear these alarms? Non-stop. Well, I just hope these people is okay, because this is ridiculous. The next step is concealer. The concealer that I use is the LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Fawn. This is an OG. You can never go wrong with these, so I've been using these, and these have been doing me no wrong. I'm holding up pretty fine. I haven't really been on the trains like that ever since this thing has gotten worse. I've just pretty much been in my house, and then if I do needed to go outside, I was in a car, so I would just alleviate me having as much contact with other people as possible. And even with that, I'm not even outside that long. Like, I'm literally outside for a short period of time, and then I'm back in my house. It's crazy because earlier this week I got woken up to a whole bunch of noise and banging. So I'm like, what is going on? And then I go to my door, and I'm trying to figure out what is all of this commotion. I can tell that it's coming from upstairs. And then after a while, that I heard someone say, miss, did it test positive? Did it test positive? And I'm like, did it test positive? Before they even verified that she was not positive, 2 firefighters was coming downstairs, and they were like, oh, is she tested positive? Like, they were like whispering to each other, like, is she positive? And he was like, no, she's not positive. And then the other firefighter came downstairs, and he was saying, okay, well, miss, you know, take care of yourself, have a good day. So I'm just like, yeah, let me stay in my house. My beauty blender from Real Techniques. I'm gonna blend out my concealer. I use the Airspun loose translucent powder. So I use this underneath my eyes to set my face. All I'm trying to do during this time is just be more constructive, you know, use this time wisely. The best thing that anybody can do right now is to actually work smarter, learn a new skill, better your craft, you know, catch up on your favorite show, whatever. Like, you can definitely use this time to your own benefit as long as you have the discipline to do so. Then I just dust any excess off my face with a big powder brush. The bronzer that I use is the Milani No. 5 Baked Bronzer. So I use my multi-brush from Real Techniques. Do a little bit, dust it off, and put it on the apples of my cheeks. I also use the bronzer to put it down my nose, on my forehead, and whatever that's left over, I put it on my chin too. I don't do any contour or anything like that. I just keep it pretty fresh face, and at this point I would set my face, but yes, I am gonna still set my face. So the setting spray that I use is the NYX Matte Finish Spray. Alright, I need to stick to my lane, and this little two-step eyeshadow is good enough for me. So now we're gonna move on to mascara. Mascara that I use is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara. Now we're gonna move on to highlighter. And I take just a cheap angle brush. I got this from the drugstore. Just brush it on the sides of my cheek. The last step I do is, hold on, I need something to drink. So my all-time favorite lip gloss that I use is from MAC, and it's called Spite. And I just put that on my lips. So let's brush this hair out. This is the finished makeup look. You know, nothing too crazy. The only thing that I did add was some foundation. The only thing that I did add to my makeup look was just some eyeshadow. I used a, what shade did I use? Hold up. I used a brownish color. I just added an accent of a bronzy gold color just to put in the teardrop, and then that's pretty much it. Normally I don't even use any eyeshadow. So what I normally do is I put on foundation, concealer, and bronzer, and a little bit of highlighter. That's pretty much it. I don't use any eyeshadow, which is very rare. I just put on some mascara, lip gloss, call it a day. This pretty much is like my everyday look in a sense. But I don't wear makeup every day, but when I do, I just like to just keep it fresh and natural. That's the look that I'd be going for. I hope you guys enjoyed. I got sidetracked, that I got very focused, so I couldn't be talking about Corona, but I just hope that, you know, everyone is being safe, everyone is staying home, not outside, having barbecues on the corner, and huddling in corners with your friends, or having parties. Like, I don't get that, but you know what, to each his own. Just stay blessed. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Leave any comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up to let me know that you like it. And I will see you guys in the next video.